Here's a ring I got at a thrift store. This stone right here I cut myself, and I made it the proper size for the setting. I backed it, and I had to wait overnight, and then I did a little more work on it by getting rid of some of the epoxy and making it more clean. The setting itself, it says Ramona Sterling. I believe it's made by Ramona Guerrero. It's possible it could be Ramona Loloma, but I doubt it. The setting is pretty nice. Here you can see a picture of the stone which I installed into the setting, and I hadn't done the sides yet. And here's the signature of the artist. Again, though, I don't know who it is. And here it is after I put the stone and finalized the piece.